Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today you join me here with a 2019 Ford Transit Connect long wheelbase crew cab. This one has 83,000 miles on the clock, comes with barn doors at the back and a lovely white. This is 6 doors as well, a manual transmission, 6-speed, air conditioning inside as well. And just in the back as well, we do of course have 3 more seats. And may I draw your attention to a meshed bulkhead as well, which is on runners as well if you want to lift it up and across. And just to show you the extra load area in the back, as you can see, it is ply lined, cargo rings to tie down any load as well. And you can see that mesh bulkhead as well in there. And if you'd like to find out any more about this Ford Transit Connect, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk, or why not visit our site in Padworth, where you can check out this vehicle in person.